SP Nelson Tumushime omugambirizo wa polisi y'ekyanga kya Rwenzori East mu district ya Kasese niwe yahamya ngu aha mukoro gwo kwirukanga ogwanya inchakade eby'okwerinda byamazire kuba n'ebinywezibwa.
Eby'okwerinda tukozere munonga kureba ngu event nigashi omukoro gwo kwiruka babakuruta munonga ogwaterekana eby'okwerinda ngudo zitu bibonire.
Ogunayongeragera ngu no mu mahoteli namwe n'amabara bamazire kuba nibateekamu eby'okwerinda.
Eby'okwerinda ha mahoteli tuzakonjeramu abasirikare ba UPDF prisons na UA nabo nibaza kutwera kureba ngu eby'okwerinda babifata kurungi.
Korinezi Kasozi manager wa Sandton Hotel muri Kasese nagira ngo nabo bamazire kuba barun abakuma babo.
Well, we have the security personnel who are doing the check-ins. You know, the security and what this is something we put into consideration. Meetings you have had just meetings of the same to ensure the safety of our guests and clubs. Probably try Kasese, try Fukuto, try Shaka, try Bushenyi, and find somewhere to live. And make sure you keep time on Saturday, because the marathon does not wait for anyone. An international marathon, there's no bargaining on who if you come last.
Honorable Godfrey Kabyanga or Minister wa Kanyabwenge hamwe na Ageihangwe nagira ngo government erumuneko lekero kubasika okurebeka ngo nangwa abirukanja aba bagumana barabo mu nguto nungi.
And as government we have assured the infrastructure is worked on. You can see how beautiful Kasese now is, and we have assured the security, and we shall ensure there is good investment climate for people to come and invest in anticipation of the next edition and other editions. I'd like to assure the world that this marathon is there to stay. It will be there forever and ever, and it will continue growing every other year. So you stay tuned.
Okwirukanga oku nokuteekateekwa kwetabwa mu muhwezo wa speaker w'ihanga lya Kenya amakuru agagasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.